Hey guys, hello from EQUINOXX channel, and it has been a while since I have uploaded my last video. So today's video is going to be about PUBG, as you know, Player Unknown Battlegrounds, and as you can see it's the 0.8.0, which is the next update coming of PUBG, I think between 15 to 25 September. I'm not sure when it will come, so it's the beta version of it. So in this beta version I'm going to explore the things that are coming new, and some of the weapons, maps, and another thing. So here are some daily rewards. So let's go to some weapons what have come new. So here, as you can see, is the Pubg, and we can adjust till 6x scope. We can go with all the 3 muzzle, compensator, flash hider, and suppressor, and we can also use all the 3 mags, which is also known as magazine. First is the extended mag, second is the quick draw mag, and third is the quick draw extended mag. And let's see for the foregrip. So it comes with angle foregrip, vertical foregrip, angle foregrip, vertical, light grip, half grip, and thumb grip. So here's the new weapon that will come in PUBG 0.8.0 Sanhok map update, and here are some of the new skins for some of the guns. As you can see, M249, and as you know, this is the AWM. I think this skin will come as new, and this also. So this is pretty much about the weapons. So now let's see what the new things are there in the modes. So as you can see, first off we will go to the arcade mode. So as you can see, war mode, which has been uploaded in last update, also quick match and mini zone. As you can see, there is no sniper training. I think it has been removed by the developers of PUBG Mobile. So let's go on the classic mode. So here is the Erangel, which is the classic one, and here is the Miramar. And I want to ensure you that you must also download the Miramar and Sanhok map after you update your PUBG Mobile. So, and the selected one is the Sanhok map. As you can see, it is written, this map is great for group operations and intense firelights. So this is about the match and all the things you have been remember in the 0.5 update. As you can see, I have clicked on start. Let's see how much time will it take in the matchmaking. So let's go to shop, and it will say function not enabled. I have the basic emotes such as clapping, hey bro, yeah, love, hi, hello friends, chai pilo. Oh, the match has been started. It doesn't take too much time. It will take about 20 to 40 seconds. If you are having good internet, that it will not take very time. So let's see where we must go. So as you can see, the match has been started, and here is the Sanhok map, also known as the jungle map, and we can throw the apples. Yeah. And here's the complete map overview. Here's the boot camp, here's the cave, here's the docks, and Paradise Resort, and Camp Bravo. I have not played Sanhok map before this update, so let's see where we must land. I must invite all the players. So one is TRS, one is Sumirama, Debbie Boy, and EQUINOXX. We must jump now. We must not go to a well-populated area. We will be finished in some seconds. Let's go to number 4. In case if we are heading some very noises, it's from the tin, or you can say shed. So let's land here. As you can see, here's a great, I think here we will get a great loot. So let's land in this map. In this update, many bots have also been reduced to give player confidence. Oh no, pistol. I don't want pistol. Oh, here's some cheek pad. We can take the cheek pad in case we get any snipers. Oh, nothing good. Oh, the cage has gone offline. It's a bad thing for our team. So let's see here. Oh, some rings. Oh no, not need. Here's the M16. It's a good gun. It shoots 2 fire at a click. It has 2 modes, burst and single. Oh. Let's see where it is. I think he's shooting the number 4. Let's see if we can fight with him or not. Yeah, we have knocked down him. Let's see if we can get the QBZ in this. Oh no, one more. Okay. Yeah, we have got that also. Oh, I have said if we get a cheek pad, we can use in some of the snipers. Let's pick this gun and drop that. I have not got enough loot. Let me search for the good loot. So this map is looking like a cartoonish map, but as you know, it's the beta. The original will come after the 0.8 update. Oh no need of that. No need. Let's search another house. I've got 2 kills so far, and I'll not show you the full match. Oh, let me do that. Yeah, now let's look for the 3x scope. It'd be nice. So yes, it can be used in snipers. It's a great scope to snipe from. Let's see, some great loots can we get. Oh, first aid have been picked up. No, we have picked up first aid, and here's the AKM. I'll use AKM beside for the mini. I prefer using AKM, not mini. Yeah, 4x scope, good. Yeah, level 1 vest, I don't need it. So here's the M416. I'll use M416. I prefer using M4. It's a great gun. So if you're asking that which gun will win between M4 and AKM, I prefer AKM will win between M4 and AKM. As you know, it has a great damage per hit. Let's see that we can get some more kills or not. Oh, someone's shooting. I think he's shooting number 4. Oh, he's having QBZ and suppressor 2 suppressor. Let's go. And let's get some heal. So I've got 3 kills so far, and we have also got the QBZ. QB. Oh, someone more shooting. Oh, I see him. Let me finish him. Where? Oh, that person. Heal me. Number 2. I know that. So you know how powerful is QBZ gun? I'll upload a next video on showing you the POI in the Erangel map. So for this video, don't forget to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, peace out.